by those are included health and safety compliance. Understanding this standard ensure that food service operation comply with health and safety regulation, minimizing workplace hazard. Ito ay ang pagsunod sa mga regulasyon sa kalusugan at kaligtasan upang makaiwas sa aksidente o anumang sakuna ang mangyayari. Risk management, knowledge of OSH, standard health in identifying and mitigating risks associated with food handling, equipment use, and workplace ergonomics. Ito ay ang wastong paggamit sa mga kagamitan sa trabaho upang makaiwas sa anumang aksidente. At ang paghawak sa pagkain, isa rin ito. Employee well-being, emphasizing employee responsibilities, fosters a culture of safety, promoting well-being and reducing accidents and injuries. Ito ang pagbibigay diin sa mga responsibilidad sa empleyado ay nagpapabuti sa kultura at kaligtasan. At upang mapababa ang aksidente o anumang sakuna, operating efficient, implementing safety standard leads to more efficient operation, reducing downtime due to accident and ensuring a safety environment for both staff and customers. Ang pagiging aware sa mga regulasyon upang makaiwas sa issue. Legal accountability, awareness of regulations, help pieces avoid legal issues and penalties related to non-compliance with safety standards. Quality assurance, adhering to international standards enhances the overall quality of food service operation, contributing to customers' satisfaction and business.
Relates to our major food and service management program because safety and health are essential in food operations. We handle heat, sharp tools, and equipment every day. So following RA 11058, DOLE or 19818, and ISO 45001 helps protect workers and maintain food hygiene. Our checklist cover areas like workplace cleanliness, PPE, machine safety training, and emergency preparedness, all important to prevent accident and ensure quality service. By applying this standard, we promote a legal compliance, worker protection, and safety excellence in the food service industry.
Hello, my name is Maribeth Macabidang and I'm going to explain something important for any company to help follow the rules and stay safe. It's called legal compliance and safety excellence. Legal compliance is like following the school rules. You have to do it. It's the minimum requirements, and if you don't, you get in troubles like getting a fine or a penalty. Safety excellence, on the other hand, it's like being the best and safest student you can be. It's not just the following the rules, but also taking extra steps to make sure nobody gets hurt.
They ensure both legal compliance and safety excellence by strictly adhering to all relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards while exceeding minimum requirements to maintain a safe and healthy work environment. The organization conducts regular inspections and audits to verify compliance, maintain accurate safety records, and provide continuous employee training for reinforced understanding of safety procedures and legal responsibilities.